The time has come to overcome the deaths, the hard times, and to accomplish greatness. I'm a Christopher investor. I'm here to help you become one of the next millionaires in 2023. I have a mission to help entrepreneurs from all over the world, my brothers, to rise together and overcome all the hard times. I truly believe that 2023 is the year for us to make the dreams become reality. I'm working hard and smart since the beginning of the year, and I'm here to share my valuable knowledge and wisdom to help you become a successful entrepreneur and rise on the AI evolution. This is the year for the evolution of humans. We are here to evolve like we never did before. And with the fusion of artificial intelligence and human intelligence, we can rise and evolve like we never did before. I believe that this is the year that all the ones that have been dreaming to make the dreams come true will achieve those dreams, and I'm here to help you. This year, with the power of AI, technology, digital marketing, and your successful online business, you can be truthfully one of the next millionaires in the year of evolution. And also, it's truly important that it's not just about money, but it's also about evolution of faith. Faith in a higher power guiding us to be successful and be grateful for what we're going to receive. It's important to know that my mission is to rise humble millionaires, the ones who will never forget from where they came from. We are here to help people from all over the world, the ones that there is nobody to help, the ones that are left behind. Nobody believes, nobody stands the hand to help. I'm here to help because I know how it feels to be like this. The evolution that we can do in 2023 is truly incredible. The opportunities that we have available are endless. I have been studying and applying my study, and I see that the chances that we have to profit, help people from all over the world, make the automation of online business, automation of marketing campaign in a way where we can make the evolution together with the artificial intelligence opportunities, they are incredible. And I'm here to show how you can use these powerful tools, powerful opportunities to profit, make money online, and not just for the evolution of financial life, that is truly important, but something beyond. I'm here to help you be able to help your family, the ones that you love, the ones that deserve to be with you on the accomplishment of the dreams. This is the year for the rise of love, the dreams, the people who truly want to be successful in the name of the dreams and love. And I'm here to help you. To give you a guidance and a help about how you can use the power of AI, digital marketing campaigns to rise your online business and start to profit, start to make money online. Here is a list of some powerful AI tools you can use to make the automation of your online business, make sales of products and services online, and also to rise your online business with the help of powerful AI tools and ads platforms. There is the list for you who is starting completely from zero and for you who have money for investment on your online business. First, the list of powerful AI tools to help you rise your online business and make those dreams become reality. It's important to take action. Here is the list. Number one of the list, Jasper AI. It's a powerful AI tool that will help on the automation of your online business to rise your online business with high quality content where you can create images for your posts, video content, copywriting content, the text that you need for your ads campaigns. If you are about to make Google ads and YouTube ads campaigns also, you can use for Facebook ads. There is a lot of options available for you, and I believe that if you use the right way, you can really build a successful online business with these powerful AI tools. This is the first, Jasper AI. You can make a demo account and start to use free benefits on your demo account. Going ahead, we have ChatGPT. It's very powerful for you who is starting completely from zero and want to rise your online business with high quality information that you can get if you use ChatGPT on a smart way. I have been using since the beginning of the year, so I can say that it's truly powerful. It can really help on the evolution of your business. You need to make advanced questions on ChatGPT so you can advance with your content. You ask one thing for your online business, your products or service, and then you advance with this information. It's important that you advance to get high quality content. Going ahead, we have video creation AI tools. Pictory is a powerful video creation AI tool that can help you make successful videos, high quality, and start to make video marketing campaigns. You can also create digital marketing campaigns for your online business, your digital marketing campaigns, also for the products and services that you are making sales and making a building of new customers for your online business. It's very good for the video creation. Going ahead, we have for the creation of high quality art, the famous Midjourney. You can generate high quality art for your digital marketing campaigns. Midjourney, you can make a free account with your Discord account. If you don't have, go create our account. It's free, so you can start to use Midjourney, create high quality art for your digital marketing campaigns and start to make sales. It's important that you focus on the customer needs and problems so you can have the solution. And after this list of powerful AI tools that don't end just here, but there's a lot of other options available in the market. For copyright, you can use Copysmith, Copy AI. It's important so you can make lines and text with high quality that can help on the sales of your products with higher conversion. And going ahead, we have the final of the list here, Canva. It's very powerful for the creation of images, video, PDFs, a lot of different contents for your digital marketing campaigns. And I truly believe that you can create high quality content with Canva. It has inside the website other AI tools so you can use and explore with a lot of different options the powerful tool Canva. After this list, I have strategies to help you make money online with some of these products that I have here. Number one, for technology products. If If you are starting completely from zero, you can become an Amazon affiliate. So you join on the Amazon Associates program, start to make sales of Amazon products, and then you can start to make money online winning commission. It's very good for you who is starting completely from zero, because if you do the campaigns in right way, as an example using video marketing campaigns, social media marketing campaigns, and you can also make other types of digital marketing campaigns, you can make great money from commissions on Amazon products. There is also affiliate marketing products. It's important that you go to some of the best websites out there to choose your products. Here are some examples for you. You can go to ClickBank, Digistore24, Share a Sale. There is a lot of options, so you can choose the best and high quality products on the affiliate marketing opportunities and start to rise your first thousands of dollars to make your journey to become one of the next AI millionaires in 2023. Other list of products to help you is health products. I completely support you to start to make sales of health products to help people from all over the world, because there is high demand, some with low competition, and health products are evergreen because you're gonna naturally help people and will be much more easy, fast and simple for you to start to make money online. Going ahead, after you choose your niche, that can be a lot of different options, from natural health products, encapsulated health products, supplements, health products. There is a lot of different options available in the market. You can also check out on the websites that are listed here: ClickBank, Share a Sale. Other that is very good is Health Trader. There you're gonna have a list of a lot of options for health products. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the content on this video. If you need more guidance about how to be a successful entrepreneur in 2023, rise your online business and become one of the next AI millionaires in 2023, I'm here to help you. You can contact me by email. The email is on the description of this video, and when I'm available, it's gonna be an honor to help you. If you want more evolution for your knowledge, the content for your online business, to make more sales, how to make money online, here I have more videos to help you. Check out on my channel. I'm sure that it will help on your evolution. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for my next sequence of videos. I'm here to truly help you become one of the next AI millionaires in 2023, and I believe that together we can do it. This is the year to make the dreams come true with the help of AI, technology, digital marketing campaigns, and rising successful online business. See you on the next video.